The future belongs to genetics. It belongs to a human race with a healthy lifespan, free of diseases, free of genetic defect, and without the need for drugs. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is located inside the nucleus of the cell. In 1953, James Watson, along with Francis Crick, had presented the double helical model of DNA. James Watson, Francis Crick, and Maurice Wilkins were awarded the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 1962 for their contributions on the discovery of the double helix model of DNA. Structure of DNA. The double helical structure of DNA consists of two strands composed of sugar and phosphate molecules. The rungs are formed by pairing of nitrogen bases. Nucleotide. Nucleotide is the basic building block of DNA. Each nucleotide is composed of deoxyribose sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogen base. Number of strands in DNA 2. Molecule used to make strands: sugar molecule, phosphate molecule. Molecules used to make rungs: nitrogen bases. Different types of nitrogen bases: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. Formation of rungs: nitrogen base pairing. Mode of nitrogen base pairing: adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. Molecules in a nucleotide: sugar molecule, phosphate molecule, nitrogen bases. Chromosome. DNA and histone proteins are the primary components of a chromosome. 8 histone proteins joins together to form a histone octamer. DNA strands wind around this octamer to form a structure called nucleosome. The chromosomes are formed by packing and coiling numerous nucleosomes and recoiling the chains of nucleosomes. Chromatids are the parts of a chromosome which are connected by means of a centromere. Human chromosomes, somatic chromosomes, and sex chromosomes. These are chromosomes that control physical characteristics. There are 22 pairs of somatic chromosomes. A pair of identical chromosomes together form a homologous chromosome. One of these is inherited from the mother and the other from the father. Sex chromosomes. These are the chromosomes which are involved in sex determination. They are of two types: X chromosomes and Y chromosomes. The Y chromosome is comparatively smaller than the X chromosomes. The SRY gene on the Y chromosomes is responsible for the development of testes in the embryo. Gene. Gene is a specific sequence of nucleotides in the DNA. Proteins, which are synthesized according to the instructions of genes, are responsible for the formation of characteristic features and for controlling metabolic activities. RNA, ribonucleic acid. RNA is another type of nucleic acid, is similar to DNA. They are also made up of nucleotides. Each of the nucleotide contains a ribose sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. The nitrogen bases in RNA are adenine, guanine, uracil, and cytosine. Most of the RNA have a single strand. Protein synthesis, transcription. Messenger RNA is formed from a specific nucleotide sequence in DNA with the help of various enzymes. The messenger RNA contains messages for protein synthesis. Translation. Transfer RNA carries specific amino acid to the ribosome based on messages in the mRNA that has reached the ribosome from the nucleus. The ribosomal RNAs, which are part of ribosome, combine amino acid to make protein.